Today, we are incredibly excited to introduce you to the next generation of Surface Duo for your life, your work, and your Surface.
Our team of engineers have partnered closely with Qualcomm to build an incredibly fast and powerful dual-screen device. All of this in a product that has been meticulously crafted to become the world's thinnest 5G device. We've enclosed all of this technology in beautifully nano-coated 3D glass, and it's available in both Glacier and Obsidian tones. And when you unfold it, you'll find two beautiful PixelSense Fusion displays that expand to an even larger 8.3-inch display. With high refresh rate of 90 Hz, perfectly synchronized across both displays, it's generating nearly 500 million pixels per second. This makes browsing, scrolling, and writing feel exceptionally smooth. The curved displays bring the two sides even closer together, connected by the most precise and reliable hinge mechanism we've ever engineered at Surface. With the toughest glass from Corning protecting the displays, you can write and draw on your Surface Duo with confidence. To make sure that your Surface Slim Pen is always with you and charged, we're introducing Microsoft Surface Duo 2 Pen Cover. To help you stay in your moment and not worry about missing anything important, we've designed Surface Duo Glance Bar. You can glance to simply check time without opening your Duo, and the color-coded badges will show you how many calls and messages you've received, including Teams chat. Beautiful and subtle light glows show you incoming calls, incoming messages, and even show you how much battery you have left. We've engineered truly exceptional cameras with dual optical image stabilization. Our intelligent software algorithms and multi-frame processing will remove noise and bring out natural textures and colors.
My Surface Duo 2 enables me to access all my phone content right on my Windows PC. The newly redesigned Your Phone app puts my Surface Duo notifications front and center. I can use all my Android apps from my phone directly on my PC. I can multitask, I can open different phone apps, each in their own window, and I can also pin my favorite apps to my taskbar for easy access. And it's easier than ever to move content between my devices. I can copy-paste content from my phone into my apps on Windows 11. It's a seamless way for me to stay productive between both my devices.
With Surface Laptop Studio, we built on the heritage of both Surface Book and Surface Studio, bringing you the power of a desktop, but also that portability needed in a laptop, and then the creativity of a studio all in one. Okay, take a look at the product. There's a couple of things to think about. The hardware, I mean, Windows 11, all of it kind of centers around you. When you get in, it's unbelievably fast. Instant on, Windows Hello 2.0 just logs you in. 14.4-inch PixelSense display. It acts as a 15-inch monitor to your eyes and to your work, but it feels portable like a 13-inch device. So you get both worlds of just what you need. You look at it as a laptop, which is this is where it starts. It is a laptop, so it has to type incredibly well, and I think this is the best keyboard I've put my hands on, and it sounds amazing, it feels amazing, the sound matters, and then the trackpad itself is so precise. It is our first haptic trackpad. Now, I'm going to show you stage mode, but look how easy it is. Like anything, when you pull it towards you, anything you love, you pull towards you, it's emotional, right? So I pull this product towards me, and I get excited. You know, I love it. I'm in stage mode here. This is a mode where you can now watch a movie, play a game, get on a call, and then so quickly and so smooth, you just fold it down.
This is Surface Pro 8, purpose-built for Windows 11. This device combines the power of a laptop with the flexibility of a tablet and every angle in between. We're bringing the best of our Surface Pro heritage to life in a new design, built on the Intel Evo platform with quad-core 11th Gen Intel processing and an innovative thermal design. It keeps the device thin, light, and productive, delivering over 43% more compute power and 75% faster graphics than Surface Pro 7. And we're bringing up to 32 gigs of RAM and high-speed Thunderbolt 4 connectivity. All this with 16 hours of battery life. This makes Surface Pro 8 the most powerful 2-in-1 in the market. This innovation matters. It keeps you productive. It keeps you connected. With the iconic full-range kickstand and detachable keyboard, studio microphones, and a front-facing camera, not on the side, but centered right where it should be. It lets you pick just the right angle to look and sound your best when you're on a Teams call or a Zoom call. Dolby Atmos creates an immersive sound that's nothing like you've heard from a 2-in-1 before. Now, I want to talk to you about this beautiful high-resolution 13-inch PixelSense display with super thin bezels and over 5.5 million pixels, Dolby Vision, 120 Hz refresh rate, and for the first time, we're bringing adaptive color technology, which naturally adjusts to the color, temperature, and lighting of your environment. And it really shines with cloud gaming on Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Just grab your controller or use the touch controls and play Psychonauts 2 and over 100 console games from anywhere. Now, it's not just about viewing and gaming, but the screen is also about great pen and touch. We're excited to announce Surface Slim Pen 2. With magnetic storage and charging, your pen is always with you, and it's always ready when you have that instant thought or a moment of inspiration. And when you pick up your pen, Windows 11 brings up a customizable pen menu that gets you inking and into your flow quickly. Another big part of our product development includes custom silicon, a processor we call Microsoft G6. When your pen hits the canvas, the G6 processor and Windows 11 come to life. And for the first time with digital ink, there's tiny mechanical vibrations that mimic the feel of pen on paper, sending tactile signals through the touch receptors in your fingertips. It's a subtle interaction that makes a huge difference. With our sharper pen tip, zero pressure force, and ultra-low latency, Surface Slim Pen 2 and Pro 8 bring you exceptional accuracy, smoother flow, and greater control. Now, the next product I want to talk to you about is our most portable 2-in-1. I want to introduce you to Surface Go 3. This is our fastest, most capable Go yet. Go 3 brings all the features that matter in a 2-in-1. And now, with 10th gen Intel processing, Surface Go is 60% faster than before. And the best part, Windows 11 makes the experience great for everyone, from frontline workers to families.
I'm delighted to announce the Microsoft Ocean Plastic Mouse. The shell of the mouse is made up of 20% recycled ocean plastic. The box is 100% recyclable, and we make it easy to ship back an old mouse for recycling through our mail-back program.
As we build products, there is a belief that drives us. When we don't intentionally include, we unintentionally exclude. By working to try to understand the specific lived experiences of people with disabilities, we make better products. Products that are accessible by design. Products like the Xbox Adaptive Controller, which empowers gamers with limited mobility to play and connect with other gamers across the globe. But every day we are striving to learn more as we work closely and partner with people with disabilities. And today, we are excited to take the next step on that journey.
What I love about this is even the packaging is inclusive. What I mean is, I get to experience unboxing a new product. So I'm able to open it up. I can use the lid that instantly pulls all the cards out right away. Here you go, Chris.
Thank you, Dave. Okay, you can apply these stickers to your keyboard. It's raised so you can feel it, but also it's high contrast.
And the different shapes makes them very distinguishable from one another.
Yeah, taking you down to the keycap labels. So the keycap labels are really designed for someone who is blind. They fit perfectly on the Surface keyboards. The port labels are used for taking a label and applying it to a cable, and then applying the corresponding port tab onto the device, and it just fits seamlessly into the device. And then this tab is a lanyard tab. We've attached it to the kickstand so that this can be easily pulled out with the lanyard, and you're ready to go.
I hope you love everything you saw today. All these products will be available along with Windows 11 starting on October 5th. I'm so pumped. I can't wait for you to get your hands on these. You can go ahead and pre-order today.
This is just the start. I've been using Windows 11 on many of the devices you saw today, and I can't tell you how much of a game changer they have been for me. Ultimately, though, we build Windows for you, so you have the tools to dream big and turn those dreams into reality. We are so excited to see what each of you will create with these new devices and how together we will shape the next wave of computing for everyone. Thank you all so very much.